Hello, Jim. This is Joe Castillo with LCE Graphics. I just want to explain the plugs. Our technician recommended that we ship it with the plugs not connected to avoid the possibility of breaking these off. But anyway, as you can see on this wire, this is connector C. All right, it says C on there. See the black tip? That goes connected to connection C, as you see marked here on the end, like this, just like that. And then this one is connector D, all right, which goes connected to D, connection D, as shown on the power supply. It's slipped right on there like that and snapped in place. And those are connected. Now this one will connect to your existing plug coming out of the booklet maker, and this one will connect to your power diverter. That's that little box at the bottom of your unit. That's where the main power cord plugs into. You just take the two screws, remove it, unplug the old cord, and plug in the new one in place of it. Okay? Be sure to just call us so we can review everything with you before you turn the power on. It should be okay. But anyway, any questions, as I say, always call us. No charge. Thank you.